extremely rough flu season. The virus is everywhere, and now one local school is taking extreme measures to keep children safe. Our Don Timoney is at Northampton County High School, where the school is turning now to technology.
You could call the maintenance crews in the Northampton County School District germ busters these days. They're now using fog machines with hospital-grade disinfectant to stay ahead of the flu outbreak, the worst in nearly a decade.
The first applicator he's using is a more aggressive surface type cleaner. It's used more to treat the tables, door handles, any areas, any touchable surfaces.
While the district is doing its usual classroom cleanings as well as extra wipe downs, the fog machines kick the cleaning and disinfecting up a notch.
It is an electrostatic sprayer. It makes the particles that come out of that stick to any surface.
Nothing's ever 100%, but we're told it's 99.9% effective in killing the bacteria.
The Lehigh Valley Medical Center in Allentown has been so inundated with flu cases, it set up tents to handle the surge. With 5,500 students in its 6 schools, the district is not taking any chances. It has 2 portable fog machines and a plug-in version, which has a broader, finer spray to cover the entire room.
Our second and third shift crews are going to go through nightly and hit each building after the kids are done, making sure we cover all the classrooms, offices, especially like the nurses' areas. We'll hit them extra hard.
Superintendent Joseph Kowalczyk says they've only been using the fog machines for several weeks now, and they seem to be making a difference.
Our attendance rate has been pretty steady. We haven't seen an excess in students being absent or staff, but we're trying to stay ahead of the curve.
And so far, so good. Officials stress the spray is not harmful, and the fog machines are used before students and staff come in for the day and after they go home. In Northampton, Dawn Timoney, Fox 29 News.